Hi there guys, thanks so much for stopping by my channel and following me as I do a throwback from about 5 years ago. In fact, I used to research brow laminating products and I used J. Dennis just because I had a friend who was actually a rep, and you'll see in the video that I put the product on 2 clients. It's the first clients, you'll see them shortly come up, and I actually liked it. So here we go. We can see before and after. So needless to say, there is a slight aroma, and I'll use the word aroma because it has a scent. I mean, it is a perm after all, but for the eyebrows. And I'm grateful for the direction that I had from my rep. Without her, I think that it would have worked, but her little tips and tricks also I found quite helpful as well.
With my eyebrows, they can't seem to go in one direction. You'll have one going east, one going west. And so
like, did you feel like any burning sensation or anything?
No burning, just a bit cold when the cream goes on. That's it. And I actually fell asleep quick.
I also did go ahead and purchase the LaQuay, not directly through my friend. She wasn't a rep, but I went ahead and purchased it via Amazon and I used it on my client hair. Well, actually, she was a model. She didn't pay for the service, but I will let you know that I personally preferred the LaQuay, and I will leave in the description box below a link to where, if you are interested, that you could get the brow laminating. Back then I called it brow straightening, but the brow laminating solution. Oh, and guys, without further ado, I must mention to you that I do actually receive a very small monetary compensation for any of the things that you purchase via the links that I provide you in the description box below. Just wanted to put that out there, because as much as I obviously love giving all this information, I do have to seek and find ways in which mama can feed the babies. All right, so we've put that out there, so that's all in the clear, and you know. In addition, if you want any virtual type of guidance, I say that, the guidance, professional direction in how you can slay your brows in the comfort of your own home, and you want to do that virtually, then of course I am a pro. I can also help you that way as well. So I'll leave that information for how you can contact me and how I can find ways to Zoom with you and help you get your brows on point, darling. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And until we meet again, don't forget to take care of you so that you can be there for the ones that you love too. Bye for now.